Hey everyone, so I wanted to share with you today this nice kind of nestled pot and pan set by CAROTE, non-stick surfaces. And I do have to preface this by saying I do already own several CAROTE pieces of kitchenware that I use on a regular basis, and I really like them. So you can take this review with a grain of salt because I am a CAROTE fan. But what they've done here is very innovative by eliminating the handles on them, and I'll show you how this kind of magic handle works to use in all the pots and pans. They've made it so that they can nestle in one another and take up a lot less space of storage. So great for an apartment, great for the dorm room, great for an RV, any place where you want to save a lot of space to store. But they didn't skimp on actually the construction and the wearability of this. These are also great for any kind of cooking method. They're great for gas, they're good for induction, and they're good for electric as well. So you get a bunch of different sizes, and they all nestle in one another. I like the frying pans because they have a nice tall wall to them on the outside, which kind of eliminates some splatter. And so let's take for an example this one right here, and I want to show you how this one or magic click handle works. So what's so innovative about this is that you can use the handle on any one of these pieces. And basically it just goes right there. You notice that I just compressed the bottom, and you've got a handle that's gonna hold up really well. In order to release it, you're just going to push up on the button here in that direction, and you notice it releases. So that's a really great feature, and that way you don't have to store them with the handle on again, so they take up much less room. They also have nice silicone rimmed lids to them, and there is a little escape right there for your steam, so they won't kind of rattle on you. They've done just a really nice job. You get a couple individual pieces also with it, accessories. You get this soup ladle, and you get this nice silicone spatula, and it also comes with some of these silicone trivets. So if you have a hot pan, you can just put it on top of this and it won't burn your surface. So there you go, this would make a wonderful gift for somebody who's just starting out on their own. Again, quality pieces that are going to last a long time with lots of really terrific features.
sucio, sucio, manchado, todavía con grasa adentro. Solo unos llegaron nuevos.
Just cooked some bacon and eggs on this. The nonstick worked extremely well, and so now I'm just showing how easy it might be to clean it. So all I did was rinse it out, and the water that was running off looks pretty clean. I don't see any food on the edges, so it looks like that works extremely well.
Take the pot, well, if I can figure out what I'm doing, and you release it. And then they just store stacks like that. It's awesome.